Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Hi babes, and good morning. Welcome to day 5. Yesterday was crazy because I did go see the Venom movie and we got this free comic book. This part's pretty cool. That movie was, like I said in the previous video, I'm not a huge Spider-Man fan. Like, I used to watch it as a kid. I went to go eat tacos after and I felt like throwing up. I felt like passing out. I was so dehydrated. Like, it was just bad. And then my boyfriend, he was like, just throw it up, and I was like, no, it's okay. So I ate one piece of the taco and I'm like, oh, it's coming up. And he's like, what'd you eat? And I ate salmon yesterday. So I was like, and then I just ran and I would come back and he's like, so what'd you eat? I'm like, and then I would, and then I got home. I didn't feel good, but I'm gonna make breakfast right now. My stomach's okay. I need my coffee fix. I'm gonna make some huevos. If I had chorizo, I'll make some chorizo. So let's go see. So I got some tomatoes and onions right now. And then I'm gonna put some seasoning salt, eggs, and then put some milk. That's how you make them fluffy. Secrets. So this is how it would look with the milk and eggs and everything. And for today's coffee mug, oh please don't fall. Gonna use this Jack Skellington one. Headed to the gym, got my primitive rose hoodie on. Roses. Gymshark leggings. Highly recommend if y'all are working out. And my Adidas, I don't even know what the name is, but styling. Waiting for Victor because he starts his class at 10, but he thinks that leave at 10 means that. No. So I'm waiting for him. He takes forever. I know girls take long, but he takes long. Is someone calling me? That's why my music stopped. Disconnected. And do all your schoolwork. Okay, I'm so proud of you, son. Why is it not blurry? Oh my god. Bye. I just got to the gym. Well, just parked. Really. So now I'm gonna change into my shirt inside and work out. I drink coffee, so this is gonna suck. Let's get this workout, ladies. Oh my god, so cute. Made it to her school, 2:13. She gets out at 2:24. Thank god. I was like trying to make so many damn shortcuts. Oh, something's in my eye. I was trying to make so many shortcuts to get here quicker, and then I found a parking spot. It's not as close as I usually park, but it's close. So it is about almost 1 in the morning. I just got off of work. I had to take one of my coworkers home because she is under the age and she doesn't have, her car just wasn't available. So yes, so I'm gonna end it here because I have work tomorrow at 10 in the morning. So thank you guys for watching, and yes, I really gotta use the restroom, so peace and blessings.